Hey there everyone, welcome you to Pragya Insights. It's fantastic to have all of you here. I hope you all are healthy and happy. In our today's video, we will tour the Tableau software, its start page, its workspace and its data source page in brief. Before we jump into the video, I have a simple question for you all. Please provide your response in the comment section. The question is, the Tableau product suite consists of what? A. Tableau desktop, public, online, server, measure. B. Tableau desktop, public, online, server, reader. C. Tableau desktop, Tableau public, dimension, Tableau server, Tableau reader. Or option D. Tableau desktop, Tableau public, online, server or Tableau query. Watch until the end to get the correct answer. So now let's jump into our topic. Start page. As soon as you open the Tableau, the first interface you are seeing is a start page. The start page is divided into three panes: Connect, Open and Discover. In your free version, Discover pane is not available. Connect pane. In the Connect pane, you can connect to the various data sources. To a file lets you connect to the local data like Excel, CSV, text file and many others. If you want to connect to a data that is available on databases in server, you need to explore Connect to a Server option. Here you can connect to various databases like SQL Server, Tableau Server, IBM DB2, Cloudera Hadoop and many other available options. Here, Open Saved Data Sources lets you quickly open the data sources that are saved in My Tableau repository. On installation, Tableau provides you two data files for practice purposes: Superstore data and World Indicator data. You can also locate My Tableau repository in your system's document folder. Open pane. Now come to the Open pane. Here under the Open, you can directly navigate to the latest open workbooks. Under the Accelerator, you can see sample workbooks to explore what you can do with Tableau. The last pane is Discover pane. You can find popular workbooks in Tableau Public, latest blogs and news about Tableau and also the training videos. Data source page. Let's connect to the Superstore data under Save Data Sources. After connecting to the data, you can now see your data in the data source page. You can navigate to the data source page anytime by clicking the data source tab in the bottom. Data source page generally consists of four main areas: left pane, canvas, data grid and metadata grid. Left pane displays details about your connected data. Canvas displays the relationship between the tables if you created your data source using multiple tables. Data grid gives you the glimpse of the data. It shows first 1000 rows from your data. You can also use the data grid to make general modifications to the Tableau data sources like sorting or hiding fields, renaming fields or resetting fields names, creating calculations, changing the columns or sorting or adding aliases. The metadata grid displays the fields in your data source as rows so that you can quickly examine the structure of your Tableau data source. Now come to the Tableau workspace. Tableau workspace is the canvas where you are going to build your graphs, charts, tables, etc. The Tableau workspace consists of menus, a toolbar, the data pane, cards and shells, and one or more sheets. Let's quickly go through the workspace details. Here in the top is the workbook name on which you are currently working. Menu bar has various options which we will explore while creating our quizzes. Toolbar gives you quick access to the commands and tools. There are cards and shells where you drag and drop your fields to add them in a view. This is the canvas in the workspace where your visualization is created. In a worksheet, the sidebar area contains the data pane and the analytics pane. Click the data source tab to go to the data source page and view your data. Status bar displays information about the current view, like how many columns and rows are there, For example, the status bar below shows that the view has 192 marks shown in 3 rows and 16 columns. It also shows the sum of sales for all the marks in the view. Sheet tabs. Sheet tabs represents each sheet in your workbook. This can include worksheets, dashboards, and stories. You can also use the toolbar at the top of the view to perform common actions when you are creating a view. Tableau or home icon navigate to the start page. Undo reverses the most recent action in the workbook. Redo repeats the last action you reversed with the undo button. Save in the Tableau desktop saves the changes made on the workbook. New data source in the Tableau desktop opens the connect pane where you can create a new connection. Pause auto updates controls whether Tableau updates the view when changes are made. As you can see, after clicking on pause updates, when I drag region into the colors, the view is no more changing because I have paused the updates. When automatic updates are turned off, runs a manual update to reflect the latest changes. New worksheet, create a blank new worksheet. Use the drop-down menu to create a new worksheet, dashboard or story. Duplicate, create a new worksheet containing the same view as the current view. Clear clears the current worksheet. Swap moves the fields on the row shelf to the columns shelf and vice versa. Sort ascending applies a sort in ascending order of the selected field based on the measures in the view. Sort descending applies a sort in descending order of a selected field based on the measures in the view. Highlight will turn on highlighting for the selected sheet. As you can see, when I disable workbook highlighting and click any of the marks, nothing is highlighted. But when I enable workbook highlighting and choose the all fields highlighting, as soon as I click any of the marks, their respective columns and measures also gets highlighted. In this case, consumer and quarter 3 is highlighted. Group member creates a group by combining selected value. Press Ctrl and select all of the marks which you want to group. Show mark labels switches between showing and hiding marks labels for the current sheet. Fixed axis switches between a locked axis that only shows a specific range and a dynamic axis that adjusts the range based on the minimum and maximum values in the view. Fit specify how the view should be sized within the window. By default it is standard. Fit width fits the view to the maximum width. Fit height fits the view to the maximum height. An entire view fits the view to the entire canvas. Show and hide cards lets you shows and hides specific cards in a worksheet. Select each card that you want to hide or show on the drop-down menu. Presentation mode let you switch between the editor mode and the viewing mode. Share workbook with others. Publish your workbook to the Tableau server or Tableau cloud. Show Me helps you choose a chart type by highlighting it in orange. It recommends what all charts you can create based on your field types in your data. From here, you can show and hide the side pane. That's all for this video. I hope this helps you in creating your visualization quickly. Now let's revisit today's question. What Tableau product suite consists of? So the correct answer is option B. Tableau Desktop, Tableau Public, Tableau Online, Tableau Server and Tableau Reader. Thank you for watching and please remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications about our latest videos. I'll see you in the next video.